Hello everyone, we're here from Bobby's Hobbies, and I've had some time to clean the wheels on some of those locomotives, the French Crocodile and the German shrouded steam engine and the little Siderod electric. Now what I've discovered is I cleaned the wheels with a cotton Q-tip with rail zip and alcohol. It works pretty good. They're not perfectly clean. Also, because these are older locomotives, they don't have all-wheel pickup. And some of the locomotives, the newer ones that run fine over the layout, because they have so many points of contact, you don't notice that the track may not be perfectly clean. So what this tells me is I really have to clean up the rails, make a work train with little rail cleaners like this and some others that have liquid, and also just do the old-fashioned go around the layout with a cloth and some cleaning fluid and really clean up. But as you're going to see, this locomotive now works. Now it would help if I put it on the track right. I got this rear okay, now she's fine. Now she should probably be lubed up. Funny, I cleaned the train. See, so she runs. And she won't make it all the way around because there's some spots that are just a little dirty. Now I got to, take the shell off and do a little. Now let's see if she makes it past that dirty rail spot back there where it always seems to get everybody. See, she didn't make it. Okay, well, like I said, tracks have to be super clean. Now let's try a little German steam engine. Now this is a cute engine because it only has 8 wheels. I love that sound of the clickety-clack even when it's derailed. Now she could go there and push the other one, but she'll just get stuck. She's too little. Well, now she's stuck. Like I said, the older trains, I'm glad they work, but you need optimally clean track. And here's that little Siderod electric. Now this is an interesting thing. If you notice, she's going the opposite direction. And that means something about her is wired in the reverse. So obviously I'd have to, she would cause a crash. I don't know how far she'll make it. Oh, that's as far as she went. Now that's a little dangerous because she's stuck in the tunnel. So anyway, that's just a quick video to show those locomotives are good. They do need to be really cleaned up, really lubed properly, and the track has to be, have a major overhaul. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.